Can we do it?
Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to J Connect podcast. Today we have with us a very remarkable personality, a woman who has always believed in learning, growing, and never hesitated to take challenges in her life. Hi Anjali, welcome.
Hi Jagriti, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
So let's start from the beginning and share about your educational journey.
Yes. So actually I have completed my engineering in 2001 and I got married in 2002 and then I shifted to Mumbai. So there I was searching for a job and I always, being an electronics engineer, I always wanted to work in a core industry because I was very fond of that small electronic components. But industries were far away from my home and then I started working in one computer institute as a part-time teacher. And one day there I got one information that there is a requirement of a lecturer in an engineering college. I applied and next day I got that place. And from that time I started my teaching journey. So from 2002 till 2010 I was working as a lecturer in engineering college in Mumbai.
Nice.
And then in 2010 October we shifted to Chennai.
2010 means almost from past 16 years you are here.
Yes.
Oh, good.
After that I started preparing students for competitive exams like Olympiad, NTSC, NGSC. And I got around 40 to 60 students were coming to my classes and I was getting very good response.
Very good.
Then in 2014 we shifted to Iris Court. There also same response I was getting. And then I started taking tuitions for 11th and 12th standard student, only maths.
So gradually you are improving.
Yes,
classes.
and I started my own academy that's I call Achievers Hub Academy.
Yes.
So in that academy, my passion was like not only teaching maths and science, but for the overall growth of students, I started working.
This is wonderful, Anjali. Now, what inspired you to start career counseling?
Then, I am teaching 10th and 11th, 12th standard students also. So while talking to them about their future career options, I found that they were not very much sure about their career choices.
They are kind of directionless.
Yes, so whenever I used to discuss, I used to ask the answers I was getting like not sure, don't know, not yet decided. And during same time, my son was preparing for JEE exam. So we were exploring for different colleges, institutes and different career choices. So that also added to my knowledge and I thought I must share this knowledge with students. I must guide them so that they can take informed decision about their careers. And after that I joined one course for career counseling. I completed that course and I became a certified career counselor. And from last 2.5 years I am guiding students and more than 100 students
You have guided.
I
Yes.
provided them career counseling and they are very happy with their career choices now.
Nice. And also you are visiting school for conducting workshop.
Yes, I am going to schools to spread awareness about careers, how students must think about their career during early age, like from 8th standard itself they must start exploring about their skills, capabilities, their interests. I would like to give this message to all students and parents that before you select career for your child, try to align your child's passion, interest, skills with the proper career option and then take informed decision because choosing career is a lifelong journey and that should be surely taken with proper decision.
Anjali, this is an important point you have shared. Many of students feels confused and directionless
there is no awareness among parents and students. In India, there are more than 3,000 career options. But parents are still aware about the conventional options like engineering, medical, architecture, law. But more than that, very nice options are available. So I am working to spread this career awareness, and for that I am visiting schools and conducting career awareness sessions. And very regularly I am conducting webinars for the students of grade 8 to 12 standard, so that people will be aware about different career options, how to approach that, how to prepare themselves during early age. हमें अगर 2 दिन के पिकनिक के लिए भी जाना है तो हम पूरा महीना प्लानिंग करते हैं. तो करियर इज अ लाइफ लॉन्ग जर्नी, एंड आई बिलीव दैट इसके लिए तो हमें 8-9 स्टैंडर्ड से ही प्रिपरेशन शुरू कर देनी चाहिए. So parents must try to analyze their child's skills, abilities, passion, and then choose career. There are careers in sports field, इंजीनियरिंग में भी बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है.
तो अंजलि, अगर बच्चों को अपना करियर चूज करना है तो किस बेस पे उन्हें चूज करना चाहिए?
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. करियर इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट अर्निंग मनी. इट इज लाइक यू शुड गेट जॉब सेटिस्फैक्शन, पीस ऑफ माइंड, हैप्पीनेस, सो दैट यू कैन गिव योर 100%. You can continuously work on the developments and prepare yourself for your achievements, achieving your dreams. So career अगर आपको चूज करना है तो खुद के skills, interest को अलाइन करो, पैशन को अलाइन करो आपके करियर चॉइसेस के साथ, and then you can decide your career with informed decision. And I would suggest you should take help of career counselor, because they can guide you in all directions. So career counseling in that case will be very very helpful.
तो आप में से अगर किसी को भी करियर काउंसलिंग के लिए कांटेक्ट करना है तो प्लीज़ कांटेक्ट अंजलि जोशी, एंड आपको अपने करियर का क्लियर पाथ मिल जाएगा इनसे बात करके. और ये ऑनलाइन भी कंडक्ट करती हैं एज वेल एज ऑफलाइन. अंजलि, सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम टीचिंग एंड करियर काउंसलिंग, आप बच्चों के ओवरऑल ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट के लिए भी कुछ करती हैं?
हाँ, मैं बच्चों के ओवरऑल ग्रोथ के लिए वर्कशॉप्स कंडक्ट करती हूँ. समर वर्कशॉप्स होते हैं. लास्ट 2 वर्कशॉप्स मेरे बहुत सक्सेसफुल वर्कशॉप्स रहे हैं. पहला था माइंडफुलनेस एंड सेल्फ अवेयरनेस, एंड दूसरा था स्पेशली फॉर टीनेजर्स, टीन इम्पैक्ट. तो दोनों वर्कशॉप में मैंने गेम्स और चैलेंजेस के थ्रू बच्चों को बहुत सारी नई चीज़ें सिखाई थी, जैसे मैनिफेस्टेशन, ग्रेटिट्यूड, अफर्मेशन. और बच्चे अगर ये रेगुलरली प्रैक्टिस करें अपने लाइफ में तो श्योरली दे विल बी सक्सेसफुल इन देयर लाइफ.
So now my future plan is I'm going to start a study center for the students of grade 5 to 8. Because of national education policy, the education is going to become more activity based, project based. So I have decided that I will teach science, maths and social science through activities, fun games and challenges. And for this I will be starting a study center from April 2026.
Very nice, Anjali. It's a great initiative.
Yes, Jagrati. So let us have tour of my toy library.
Definitely. Yes.
I have books for all age groups, for parents, kids. So parents, it is like very pocket friendly toy library. If you go and purchase toys every month, वो बहुत costly हो जाता है. But in a minimal charges, you can take subscription for my toy library. It is monthly or for 3 months, 6 months or yearly subscription you can take. And you can exchange, return, reissue your toys anytime in a month or weekly, fortnightly, monthly. For whatever time you want, you can hold that toy and your children can enjoy it. In my Achiever house, you can read that learning beyond the classroom.
Yes, learning beyond the classroom.
Yes, my
Nice
Achievers
tagline.
my Achievers hub is always working for the overall growth of children. So the toy library, the workshops, सब कलेक्टिवली काम करते हैं बच्चों के ओवरऑल ग्रोथ के लिए एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट आई एम ऑलवेज एंगेज विद स्टूडेंट्स आई एम मेंटरिंग देम एंड आई एम फाइंडिंग दैट अभी जिन बच्चों को मैंने गाइड किया है बहुत खुश है, हैप्पी है और पढ़ रहे हैं, आगे कॉलेज में भी चले गए हैं, फिर भी कनेक्टेड
बहुत प्राउड फील होता होगा
Yes,
आपको, है ना,
yes.
बच्चे ऐसे ग्रो हो रहे हैं, आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। एक्चुअली देखा जाए तो ये बहुत ही यूनिक और क्रिएटिव कॉन्सेप्ट है और मेरे ख्याल से यू आर द फर्स्ट हु इज डूइंग दिस एंड कांग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर दैट।
Please visit and you can come for the more details about subscription for this stall library. Thank you.
इट वाज नाइस टॉकिंग विथ यू, बहुत सारे इंफॉर्मेशन मिले और हमारा एपिसोड बहुत ही यूज़फुल है, खासकर हमारे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जिन्हें करियर के बारे में जानना है, जिन्हें टॉय लाइब्रेरी विजिट करना है, जिन्हें ट्यूशन के लिए आना है। सो इट वाज वेरी गुड एंड इट वाज वेरी इंफॉर्मेटिव।
Thank you, Jagruti, and thank you for your J Connect magazine and
थैंक यू सो मच।
this episode for giving me opportunity to spread knowledge about my toy library, career counseling services to parents and children. Thank you, and I wish all the best for your J Connect.
थैंक यू सो मच।
You are growing, and I wish that you keep on growing.
Thank you. Thank you so much everyone for watching this episode. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much. Namaste.